Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Renesas E2 Lite Emulator and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now, you might need to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If it's not working right or if it's not responding, any kind of issues like that, troubleshooting step that can be very useful is to do a hard reset on it. Just keep in mind, once you do this, you have to set it up again because it will be restored to its factory default settings. But if that's something you want to do, it's quite easy. All you'll need is like a paper clip or a pin or something like that. Just make sure it's not too sharp so it can't damage anything. These iPhone SIM card ejectors work really great. All we need to do is on the top of it, we can locate the reset button right here. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's there. And we're just going to come in with our pin, press it down in that hole, press and hold it for a couple of seconds, and the emulator will reset to its factory default settings, and we can go ahead and set it up again as a new device. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.